That's fresh. That's fresh. Okay, I think that we know Subway is fresh.
Would you
Do
like
you know the way? Do you know the way?
That's fresh.
Do you know the way?
No, I don't. Well, I do apparently, but I don't remember it.
Okay. Okay, please stop. Okay.
So what kind of sandwich do you want?
I would like a footlong with turkey and American cheese. Sonic,
Okay.
what would you like?
Well, I will like a chili dog, please. With
There
extra
are
chili
no
and
chili
extra
dogs.
sauce.
There is no chili dogs. Would you like to get the meatball?
Yeah, because that's like the same thing, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, that'll be $6.91.
Okay, guys,
$6.95.
really quick. Sponsored by Subway. Okay, sponsored. So
Yes.
please pay us some money in the mail, please.
Even if I'm a manager, I still do YouTube
Okay,
videos.
everybody. Okay, get back. Continue. Okay.
Okay, so
I don't know what to do. Okay, can you give us our sandwiches? We're done.
Okay. Yep. Thank you for being at Subway. You have to save that for later. You're gonna get hungry later.
Okay, done.
Oh yeah, this tastes good.